It's a beautiful day in the Bay Area for a bike ride. I've been riding for a while now, and it started off feeling really good. After a while, though, my butt started to hurt. You know that feeling when you've been sitting on it for a while? Right here in the sit bones. So, what to do? Well, I've tried raising and lowering my bike seat, putting more of my weight on the handlebars, so I've got more of my weight distributed onto my hands and arms. I've also tried good quality Pearl Izumi bike shorts with a good thick pad, and I've tried different kinds of bike seats. Everybody has their own preference. Different things work for different people. I just haven't found anything that's completely good for me. So that's why I'm hoping that I hear from some of you, some comments, anything that you can recommend, things that have tried that work for you. I'll have other videos in the future about my rides in the Northern California, San Francisco Bay Area. Look forward to hearing from you. In the meantime, maybe I'll see you on the road. I'll be riding.